what you never know. I wanna tell you what you need to know. Time wasted is destiny destroyed. In every looking back there is a setback. Mind you where you stop to ask about the journey of life. Ain't nobody is somebody to someone. A rich man is poor man to someone. Oh yeah. Do not kill your destiny or your life will remain miserable. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Devil from afar looks like Angel Michael, but when you come close you know who he is. True talk. If you fail to learn your lesson, you are a fool. Do not tell your best friend all your secrets, because he will use it against you. When you have a hard time with him, I say he will use it against you. Your best friend could be your worst enemy, and your worst enemy could be your best friend. Do you know?
He that asks you, let him hear what the Lord is saying.
Are you listening?
He that asks you, let him hear what the Lord is saying.
Come on, hear me.
He that asks you, let him hear what the Lord is saying.
I don't really know what to think. When your children are growing, remember you are getting older. You are going to the grave. Yes. There are two things men fear in life. Tell me. Old age and the grave. Brother, invest your money wisely. One is counting age. No repentance in the grave. No. No repentance in the grave at all. Rivers never struggle to flow. Sun never struggle to shine. Come on. Every man is just like a star in the sky. Oh yeah. And every star has some of shining. It's my turn to shine. Your destiny lies in your hand, child of God. Oh yes. Never live wasted years. Never live wasted years. Every mistake of a man will take him an extra mile to correct. I don't wanna hear just a second. What? Never wanna hear just a second. And Jesus will ask you there, how many seconds in a minute? How many minutes? How many minutes in an hour? How many hours? How many hours in a day? How many days? How many days in a week? How many weeks? How many weeks in a month? How many months? How many months in a year? How many years? How many years is in the life of a man that you are asking for a second? Oh. That you are asking for a second.
He that asks you, let him hear what the Lord is saying.
Say it louder.
He that asks you, let him hear what the
Don't
Lord
say
is
I don't wanna know.
He that asks you,
Open
let
your
him
ear.
hear
Open your
what the
ear.
Lord is saying.
Say it louder.
He that asks you, let him hear what the Lord is saying.
Never say I don't wanna know.